Hello everybody, we are sitting in a wonderful brown metallic Audi RS6 Avant, so the estate version. And yes, we have driven this car before, but similar as with the RS3, we had driven the car when it had winter tires, and I think it is almost 2 years ago that we have tested the RS6. This car now has high performance summer tires. We have of course a lot better conditions outside, and of course also this car has the RS Dynamic Plus package, whatever, so the biggest package you can get, which means sport differential, 305 kilometers per hour, and of course carbon ceramic brakes, and the tires of course that do more than 300 kilometers per hour. That's the reason why we not only want to test 0 to 100, 100 to 200 using the race box, but of course also as the Autobahn is freeing off and no traffic should be there, we will try to reach top speed, or at least drive a bit faster on the Autobahn. And yeah, join me for this acceleration test. I think we can put everything in the most sporty setting, or at least the setting you need to do to engage the launch control. And without further talking, yeah, let's check it out. Wonderful interior, Alcantara steering wheel, matte carbon fiber. This really is my spec. Oh my goodness. Still a bit uphill here. 3.66 seconds, 0.5% uphill, and still 3.6 seconds. This car really jumps forward, and I believe that there's even more in it, I would say, because the first meters it still had some wheel spin. Let's check it out. 3.4, actually the internal measurement system tells us 3.4. So you can see the difference really there between, yeah, I would say the real numbers and what the internal system says. Maybe it's in between. Let's say 3.5. So next try, 0 to 100. Second try. Let's see if there's a difference again between, yeah, I would say real measurements and the internal measurement system. Exactly the same numbers again. 3.4 seconds internally, 3.6 seconds on the box, a bit uphill still. Yeah, let's get out onto the Autobahn. I think the numbers are quite impressive. So let's now check out how fast the RS6 goes. 100 to 200. Seen some good numbers. Car of course reaches 300 kilometers pretty easily, honestly. No matter what direction you're going, what wind you have. Of course it's not as aerodynamic as an RS7, as the one of Andy the Dawn that we have driven before with the MTM pack. I think reasonable numbers in the end. In the low or mid 8s. 100 to 200, pulls up to 300 kilometers, very good. 3.4 internally, 0 to 100. 3.6, that's at least what our measurement system said, the race box. So yeah, in the end, that's all you can get. And I think the best part about this car is that It rides so soft and luxurious, yet is a sports car at the same time. You can get it sideways. Yeah, the ride is very, very good at fast bends, and still you get a long distance ride comfort. I think it's probably the best package you can get currently. M4 competition, of course, is faster, but it's not as comfortable and usable every day as this car. And the looks are, of course, what makes this car special as well. So, saying it again, I'm a huge fan of the RS6, and this would exactly be my spec that I would order it. Unfortunately, there's no space in the garage for another car.